All right. Okay. So we're going to enter 2.2 today. All right. So here is the thing. We're going to recap the previous lesson. So I got prepared some few questions last so that we can discuss as the recap. Okay. So hopefully you all can try to answer also as part of the recap. Okay. So first question. Okay. You can see the question over here. Okay. GH. The question is, are G and H equal matrices? Adakah G dan H merupakan matriks serupa? Berikan sebab anda. So what will be your answer, guys? Can you all tell me based on the question here? Is it yes or no? So what do you all say? Okay, the reason? What will be the reason you guys give? Only one reason enough. Okay, Ken, Emily, the elements are the same, correct? G equals, that one we know. Okay, that one is not a valid reason. Same number, yes, valid. Another reason beside the same number, can you all tell me one more point? If I want one more, beside the same number, there is one more characteristic to be called as equal matrices. Do you all know that? Yes. Okay, same rows and same number of column, correct? Okay, so basically what you have to write is same elements. Elements here means numbers lah. Okay, unsur yang sama. Or you can say same row and same column. Okay, sama baris, sama lajur. Okay, guys, are you clear with the first part? How to get it? Yes. Okay, this one is yes, 3 times 2, correct. Okay, you can mention 3 times 2 also if you want. Okay, on this part you can say 3 times 2 also. Okay, so next one, part B. So how about part B? Are these equal matrices or not? Yes or no? Adakah ini matrix serupa? Okay, reason? What will be the reason? Okay, some more. Guys, remember, equal matrices, right? You have to check two things. First thing is the row and columns. Second thing is the elements. Okay? So, guys, is this equal matrix or not? The rest of you over here, what do you all say? Adakah ini matrix serupa? Yes, correct. But you must remember one thing. So, guys, can you see over here? If you look at the question over here, is the position of number -7 the same? Okay, yes, actually the answer is no. Okay, the answer is not equal matrix. Okay, you know why, guys? Example, I take number 7. Okay, so guys, for the matrix E, can you all tell me what is the order of number 7? How many row, how many column? Sorry, -7. What times what to get the -7? What is the row, what is the column? Can you all type out? Apakah nombor baris and what is the number of row to get the number -7? They all know. 2 times 1, yeah, Emily, because second row and then first column. Okay, this first row, this second row, and then this is the first column. Okay, so we always read row and then column. Okay, don't terbalik. Okay, that's why it's 2 times 1. Okay, 2 row, first column. So that's why we write as 2, 1. Okay, so guys, you see the number -7 here. Can you all tell me what is the order of the matrix to get -7? What times what? You just need to check one number enough already. Yes, correct. Okay, 1 times 2. First row, second column. Okay, baris pertama, lajur kedua. So means that you compare these two and see, guys. This one is actually 2 times 1. This one is 1 times 2. So guys, can we say this is equal matrices? Yes or no? Based on the explanation here. Adakah ini matrix serupa? When one side you got 2 times 1 to get -7, the other side you got 1 times 2 to get -7. Yeah, so definitely the answer will be no lah. Okay, it's not an equal matrix. You must make sure, guys, the position of every element must be similar. Okay, then only we can call it equal matrix. Okay, don't just see the number of row and column and also the, what is it? the type of elements. Okay, you must see the position of the element also. Although you can see right here guys, semua nombor dalam kedua-dua matrix ni is sama. Betul? It's exactly the same numbers for all of these matrices over here. These two. Okay, but if you see -7 here and -7 here, dua kedudukan yang berbeza untuk -7 means that it is not equal matrix already. Dia bukan matrix serupa. Okay, that is what you all must understand. Okay, so the answer will be no. So reason, because you can say -7 has two different positions. Okay, nombor 7 tu ada dua kedudukan berbeza. Okay, two different positions. Okay, guys, do you all understand these two questions over here? How to determine equal matrices? Okay, hope you all clear on this because they like to ask question on this also. Okay, so you must know how to determine it. All right. Okay, so next one. So the next one, we are going to involve the problems. Okay, menyelesaikan masalah melibatkan matrix serupa. Okay, so you can see the example here for part A. Okay, they already tell you P is equal to Q. So guys, when they say this, what does it mean? Can you all tell me? When they say P equals to Q, what does the question tell you over here? What is the keyword when they say P is equal to Q? Anyone? Yes, it should be equal matrices. Okay, they won't tell you equal matrices, but they will give you label and say P equals to Q. Okay, so you should know that they are equal matrices. Okay, so now you have to find the x, y, and z. So guys, directly looking from here, can you all tell me what is the x value based on the question here? Apakah nilai x? Okay, correct. How about y? This one quite easy. You all can get it. Okay, yes, y is 2. How about z? Hey, careful. Z, Z. Uh, Slightly wrong. Anyone else want to try for Z? Yes, okay, 1 over 2 is the correct answer. Okay, no negative sign now, guys. Cos 2z minus 3, you compare with -2. Okay, so you will get 1 over 2 as your final answer. Okay, so basically this one, right, you no need to show any working. Okay, maybe you can write something like this. Okay, by comparison, you can write like this in the exam. So you will get x equals to 6, y equals to 2. And then for this one, you can solve it out. Okay, 2z minus 3 equal to -2. So just salin balik. And then you just show some small working lah. 2z equal to 1. And then z equals to half. Okay, guys, are you clear? I think this is quite a simple example lah, the direct type. Okay, question can come harder than this. Okay, but this is one of the simple type. Okay, so how about part B? Can you all tell me what is the x, y, and z? Start with x. Apa nilai x untuk bahagian B? Okay, correct. X2. How about y? Y you might need some time a bit. It's not -1. You should get fraction guys untuk nilai y. So anyone else want to try y value? Yes, okay, but guys, good answer you give, Warren, correct. Okay, but guys, if you give this kind of answer in the exam, is it correct, guys? Do you think it's correct? If you give this kind of answer in the exam, will it be given a mark or not? Not about the decimal, something else. Anyone know? Yes, correct. Okay, guys, remember, every answer in maths Setiap jawapan dalam matematik kena dalam bentuk termudah. It must be in the simplest form. So negative 14 over 4 is not simplest form. Negative 7 over 2 is the simplest form. Okay, so that means if you write this right, you might lose the mark. But if you write this, then it's correct. So there is two difference between here. Both of it has the same value, but it depends on your simplest form. Simplest form only you will get the mark. Okay, maybe the left hand side you will lose the mark. All right. So this one thing you all must take note. Okay. Okay. So next one for Z, can you all tell the value? Where should I put my negative sign? Okay, good question also this one. Okay, this one listen now guys. Like just now, right? Negative 7 over 2. Okay, where to put the negative sign? Okay, I'll check back. So guys, let me ask you lah. Negative, this is position 1. Negative, position 2. Negative, position 3. Which is the correct answer? Tell me the numbers. Which is the correct answer to show negative 7 over 2? Okay, some more? Okay, there's different answers here. Good, good. Okay, majority say 1 and 2. Okay, correct. Okay, guys, remember 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Not only 2. You can write negative 7 over 2 like this is correct. You can write negative 7 over 2 like this is correct. Okay, but if you write 7 over negative 2, this one is wrong. Okay, remember guys, middle or top only can be accepted. Don't put at the bottom. Bottom is different already. Okay. Yes, correct. Actually, either position is the same answer. Yes, but in terms of mathematics, the logic, usually we don't write like this. Okay, it's quite rare. Usually you will see this one and this one only. Okay, the common ones to show negative 7 over 2. Because the negative, right, it belongs to your denominator, the top part of the fraction. Sorry, it belongs to the numerator, which is the top part of the fraction. It won't belong to the denominator over here. This one is wrong. Usually it's like that. Okay, common sense in maths that's what I say. Okay, this is like the common sense. It must be at the top or in the middle. Okay, there is like not really proper reason behind it. There's not much reason. Okay, understand now guys? I think this one you all learn since primary school. You all will write on the top right negative 7 or in the middle negative 7. I don't think you all will write something like this usually. Okay, usually people won't write like this one. Okay, so that's why it's like that lah. Okay, yeah, middle is the safest, correct. Okay, a lot of people will write the middle. Okay, so next one, some people say Z is, where is it again? Let me find. Z. Can you all type back your answers for Z, guys? I already lost it for part B. Can you all type again for this question? What is your Z value? I want to check back again. Okay, correct. Negative 4. Okay, you should get Z is negative 4. Okay, guys, are you all clear with part B question? Boleh faham how to get the X, Y, Z? Okay, so basically X, you compare 10 and 5X. Second thing, 6y plus 5, you compare with 2y minus 9, you will get the y. 3z plus 4, you compare with negative 4x, you will get the z value. Okay, so you can write your working like this. Okay, for part B, let me write it down. Okay, so first part, you will compare 5x equals to 10. So you will get x equals to 2. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, you will compare the y. So the y is 6y plus 5 and 2y minus 9. Okay, 6y plus 5 equal to 2y minus 9. So you will get 4y equal to negative 14. So make sure final answer, jawapan akhir kena dalam bentuk termudah. So it's negative 7 over 2. Okay, and then for the last part, to get the z, you will say something like this. You write substitute. Okay, make sure you write this word, guys, because you got x and z in your final part. So you write substitute x equals to 2. Okay, then you compare 3z plus 4 equals to negative 4x. Okay, so you can write something like this. 3z plus 4 equals to negative 4. The x you substitute with 2. Okay, then you can count for the z already. So you will get z is negative 4. Okay, guys, do you all understand how to find x, y, z for these two questions? I think you can do it lah. Okay, this is the equal matrix part, right? So we go on. Okay, so now we will enter about the addition and subtraction part. Okay, addition and subtraction, penambahan dan penolakan matrix. Okay, so I got prepared a few questions also as revision because we already studied it last week. Okay, so can you all tell me based on this question untuk bahagian A, adakah A dan B itu boleh ditambah dan ditolak antara satu sama lain? Can we add and subtract between the A and B matrix? Okay, reason why cannot? One reason enough already. Yes, very good. Different order of matrix. Okay, so the answer is no, because they have different order of matrix. Peringkat matrix yang berbeza. Okay, they have different order. Okay lah, different order of matrix. Okay, so can I ask you all additional question lah? Can you all tell me what is the order for matrix A? Recap based on your first part of the chapter. What will be the matrix A order? Not 2 times 4. Yeah, correct. Okay, 2 kali 3. 2 row, 3 column. Correct. How about matrix B? What is the order? Yes, okay, 2 kali 2. 2 times 2 matrix. Okay, so this is for the part A. Okay, so guys, for part B, can we do addition and subtraction? Adakah kita boleh buat penambahan dan penolakan? Okay, yes, reason. I think you all know the reason lah, because they have the same order. Okay, because, yeah. Can you all tell me the order for these two matrix? Same order of matrix. Yes, 1 row, 2 column, 1 times 2, correct. Okay, so you all understand lah. This one is 1 times 2. Okay, are you clear, guys? This one is not yet come to the addition and subtraction. This one is to see whether you know which one you can add and subtract, which one you cannot. But of course, in the exam, they will give you an example where you can add and subtract lah. Then only they can test you on your addition and subtraction. Okay, they won't give you an example like this. They won't come out with this question and then suddenly ask you, find A plus B. Okay, definitely you cannot solve the question lah. Okay, they will give you a question where you can add and subtract. Okay, so now the question will look something like this. Okay, so can you all solve for me? Part A, C plus D. Can you all type for me the answer? I think this one can be fast. You all type according to this order lah. I show you all. Okay, you type to the right and then to the right. Something like this. Means you type like this, like this, like this, the answer, then go here, here, here. Okay, from up to down, you tell me the answer. Okay, that's the way you can type out. Okay. You can type out one by one also, no worries. No need to put all one shot. You can type one by one also for C plus D. How you get 14? Yeah, okay, correct. 24, second one. The only thing you must be careful here is the negative sign, guys. Negative sign very important here. Okay, correct. Proceed. Okay, some more. Now we go to the second row. Baris kedua. Okay, correct. Next. Okay, last one. Okay, not yet. Last one. Okay. No, not negative 2. It's 16. 7 plus 9, we get 16. Okay, there is no minus sign. Okay, so you will get 16. All right, good. So now, how to show the working for this kind of question, you will ask me. Okay, very simple. Basically, what you can do is you just copy back the question. They give you one 10, 6, negative 8, negative 11, and then 4, 7. They ask you to plus, right? Plus with 14, negative 3, 14, negative 3, and then what else? Negative 2, 5, 1, 9. Okay, negative 2, 5, 1, 9. Basically, what you can do is you just write out your working. Okay, your working will be something like this. Okay, you will write 10 plus 14, and then you will write out 6 minus 3. This is part of your working step lah, guys. I know it's a bit tedious, but you can write it out if you want to show working for this. Negative 8 minus 2, negative 11 plus 5, and then 4 plus 1, 7 plus 9. Okay, 4 plus 1, 7 plus 9. Then you close your matrix. Okay, then you can write your final answer down here. Okay, 14, 3, negative 10, negative 6, 5, 16. Okay, guys, are you all clear on how to do addition of matrix? This is the way we show the working. Okay, same thing for subtraction also. You apply the same concept. Okay, I saw someone raise the hand, but okay, no question. Okay, so now part B, subtraction now. This one hard, guys, because we're dealing with 3 times 3 now. So there'll be 9 elements total. So be careful when you do the subtraction. Okay, you must be very careful here because the matrix is large already. Okay, so can you all start to type P minus Q? You follow the same order. First row, second row, third row. You type out for me. One by one also can. Hopefully more of you can type out also. You participate and answer also so that you know whether you all understand or not. Okay, correct. Second one. Okay, second one you can use calculator because it's fraction. So second one, guys, what you all get? These two numbers now. What will be the answer for P minus Q? Okay, third one. Third one, careful, guys. Got negative, negative sign. So you must be careful. Anyone? Third one? Okay, correct. Second row now. So second row, what will be the answer? You can leave in decimal. Okay, next. Okay, wrong. Try again. Careless, careless. Again. Negative, negative sign, guys. Careful. Negative 13 minus negative 8. Because it's P minus Q. So minus you must add inside. Yes, negative 5. Correct. Okay, next one. Okay, very good. Third row. Okay, correct. Next one. Okay, very good. Last one. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is the largest matrix that you will see in your syllabus. Nothing larger than this. 3 times 3 matrix is the largest within your syllabus. Okay, yes. Usually, right, Bowen, if you see that one fraction minus another fraction, right, we will leave our answer in fraction. Okay, if something like this case, fraction minus decimal, your answer was negative 0.15, right? You can choose to leave it in fraction or decimal also can. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, as long the decimal you can write it out lah fully, like negative 0.15. There is nothing, no numbers at the back there. If no numbers at the back means you can write decimal. But if you got recurring decimal, titik perpuluhan yang berulang, then it's better to give fraction. Okay, I mean line. Which line? Oh, the fraction line. Can. No problem. Okay, guys, good question asked by Bowen. So some of you might be thinking, can I write 1 over 4 like this in the matrix or 1 over 4 like this in the matrix? Okay, both of it is accepted. Okay, but you must be careful and careful lah. So guys, I give you one example lah. Let's say you got 4 fraction in your matrix. Okay, 4 pecahan. Can you see that your matrix is going to look a bit messy? Can you see this example, guys? Do you think this looks a bit messy? For me, I feel yes lah, because can you see that you have numbers clashing up and down here? So it might be confusing for yourself. You don't know which is the first row, second row, first column, third column. So in this case, we will use the slash to show fraction, something like this. Okay, we will write 2 over 5, 1 over 4, 3 over 8, and 2 over 9, something like this. Can you see, guys? This now is more easier to see the row and column. So this is when the slash is allowed. Okay, maybe if you have one fraction only, then no need. But let's say all 4 are fraction in the matrix, then you can write like this. Okay, so that it looks easier. All right, so this is how we solve for part B. Okay, so just now people asked 4 times 4. 4 times 4 matrix not in the syllabus. Okay, you can see textbook, the example never give 4 times 4. Maximum is 3 times 3 only. Okay, so you don't need to study 4 times 4. Will they say give answer in? No such thing. They won't tell you. Okay, you can see the past exam question, they won't tell you. Okay, no such thing as leave in fraction or decimal. Kamu boleh tinggalkan macam mana kamu nak. Okay, any way you like, as long you comfortable with it lah, just follow that way. Okay, so this one you can show the step also for part B, but it'll be slightly long. Okay, you must be careful a bit. Okay, so for part B, we have to do penolakan matrix for these two. So basically, you can copy out the matrix first. Okay. Usually, I will advise you to show working so that you won't make careless mistake when you do the subtraction because of the negative sign. Okay. So you get negative 13, 9. This one I just copy only. Okay. 6, 5, 1 over 4. 6, 5, 1 over 4. And then this one I want to minus with 18 2.512, 18 2.512, and then 1 over 3 negative 80, 1 over 3 negative 80. Hey, by the way, you all go back school next week, right? Am I right? Everyone here? Next week start back, right? Scholar. Nice, right? Start back school. Am I right? Holiday boring only, right? Betul lah. For those that don't celebrate Raya, of course, boring lah. You go holiday already. Okay, not bad. 1 week is quite short actually. It passed very fast. So yeah. You still enjoying, is it, Warren? Holidays? Oh, KL, understand. Okay, nice. 7.4 minus 2.5. And then 1 minus 12. Okay, you can show the working like this, guys. If you want to be careful when you do the subtraction. Okay, you can write something like this. And then negative 13 plus 8. And then 9 minus 0. And then you have 6 plus 7. And then 5 minus 3, 1 over 4 minus 0.4. Okay, something like this. This is the working. Schooling is not effective. Studying at home much more nice. Who of you, among all of you here lah, who agree with the statement he write? Those agree, you type yes. Those who don't agree, you type no. Okay, got one yes. This one nice. It's a controversial topic also, this one. Okay, yes, no, yes. Okay, of course you agree with your own one. Yes. Okay, not bad. Yes, kuasa tiga. Wow, you win all the votes already. Okay, so I feel like what to say. It depends on what type of person you are lah. If you are what to say, uh, if you are disciplined, yes, disciplined enough, then you can study on your own lah at home. But if you're not disciplined, then it's advised to go to school lah to study something like that. Schooling talk only, correct. Nowadays the school is just talk only. It's like more for fun, right? Go to school, not really to study. Am I right, guys? Pergi sekolah untuk enjoy saja dengan kawan. I think usually nowadays is like that lah, I feel. Okay, so yeah, it has changed a bit. Okay, so this is how we solve lah for part B. Okay, for the matrix. Okay, guys, until here, are you all clear? School have rubbish activity like coloring, doing nonsense. True lah, true. That one I agree with you, correct. But what to do? That is under the schooling system, so you have to follow. Okay, no choice. Unless you want to go homeschool lah, then can. You know homeschool is an option, right, guys? Have you all heard of this homeschooling? I think you all have heard, right? Homeschooling is one of the option also you can choose, but not many people do it lah. Okay, it's quite rare. Oh, after form 3 cannot do. Okay, so now you all no chance lah. Cannot do that one also. Okay, understand guys? Up till now, can you put like if you understand the question here? Can so we continue. Okay, next part. Okay, so next part we're going to involve three metrics now. Okay, to do the addition and subtraction. Addition, subtraction, I combine in one question. Okay, so can you all do this now? Part A, P minus Q plus R. Now we up the level one more. We want to combine two operation one shot. So this one you all must be careful a bit because it's many operations already. So again, you all follow the same format. You type from the first row, go to the second row, one by one, all the elements. SPM I must pay. Yeah, correct. You guys already registered, right, for SPM? All of you. Already you see the borang, right? That one is the most important part of your life, lah, guys. When you start to sign your borang, right, you put your signature, right? That means you sah as a SPM student already. That is when the moment you feel like, wow, I'm already going to finish school. Correct? You will suddenly realize that moment, wow, so far school ending when you start to sign that SPM borang. That one is a really nice moment. First day of school. First day, it's your last day, lah. Means all this while you're doing in school, what? But KTM pay, yes, correct. That's why you all must make use of the facilities they give to you because in the end you all pay, right, to register, I think, if not mistaken. Okay. So guys, first element, can you all tell me P minus Q plus R? Yes, the answer is 10. Okay. Second one, this one it train you on your mental calculation lah, something like that. Okay, yes, 6, correct. Next one. No, yes, 4 is correct. Okay, -3 minus 0, -3, -3 plus 7, you get 4. Okay, so last one. Okay, very good. Okay, so you all know how to do lah. Although we combine three matrix one shot, the method is still the same. Okay, it doesn't change at all. Only thing is a bit harder. Okay, so basically you can copy back everything. 1, 4 minus Q and then you plus R. Okay, plus 6, 7, 3, -1. Okay, so you will get equals to, okay guys, over here, you can show the working like this. You combine all the operation one shot like this. You can write like this in the exam. Okay, so that you don't get confused by the sign, negative sign or anything. Okay, you can write like this. 4 minus 5 minus 1. Okay, then you count out the value. You equal to 10 and then 4 and then 2 and then -2. Okay, guys. Can I give straight away answer? I think can. Usually can. Okay, but maybe in kertas dua, right? It's better for you to write out longer way. Subjective question. Objective, you just do chincai also can. Okay, but subjective, I feel like working step, they will give 1 mark. Final answer, they will give 1 mark. So 2 marks. Okay, so usually you need the extra step. So this is the extra step. Okay, so next one, part B. Now I reverse the order. So guys, before you do anything, can you all tell me, do you think the answer for part B will be the same as part A? Yes or no? Okay, but question. I reverse the sign only. Plus become first, minus become next. What do you all think? Will it be same or not? Very good. Okay, the answer is no. Correct. Okay, so make sure you all take note of this. You all still must count out. Don't think it's the same just because they reverse the sign. Okay, you still have to count. All right. So now, can you all tell me one by one again? I think after this, no more all this already lah. Should be the application already. Okay, correct. Second one, A. Do you do mistake? It's not zero. Yes, the answer is -4. Okay, 1 plus -2 is 1 minus 2. I think that's where you made mistake. Okay, you took 1 plus 2. Okay, it's plus minus. So plus minus combine, you get minus. Okay, that is why it's end up with -4. If 0, write 0. Yes, you have to write the number 0. Okay, although got 0, right, you still have to write in the matrix as 0. Remember, guys, don't think 0 means you don't write anything like this. Wrong, guys. If you think the number is 0, you still have to write 0. Okay, you cannot leave it empty like that. Okay, so you must put 0 here. Okay, so third one. Okay, very good. -10. Fourth one. Okay, 10 also. Very good. Okay, so this is how we do the addition and subtraction. So basically, you can copy again lah. Let me see. Never mind. I direct show the plus since I copy on top already. Okay, 12 plus, never mind, plus. So it's -8 plus 6. And then -3 minus 0 minus, sorry. This one is 12 plus 8 minus 6. Oh, I terbalik already. 12 plus 8 minus 6. And then we have -3 plus 0 minus 7. Okay. This one is optional lah, guys. If paper 1, you no need to show like this. But this one, I'm just explaining to you more detail only. Okay. 1 minus 2 minus 3. And then you will have 4 plus 5 plus 1. Okay, 4 plus 5 plus 1. So you can count out and see the final answer you should get is 14, -10, and then -4 and 10. Okay, guys, are you all clear? So this is how we do the addition and subtraction for 3 matrix combined. Okay, until now, are you all okay? Can you all react if understand? Okay, good. So far here, I want to ask, who struggle with multiplication or matrix? Can you type me in the chat box? Who feel the pendaraban matrix part is hard to understand? Yeah, sometimes, right? Sometimes it's hard. Okay, so that is why I never entered that one yet. So that's why I'm making sure your addition and subtraction is good first by doing this revision. Usually exam won't ask 3 times 3 to do the pendaraban. You can see the exam questions. They usually like to ask 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2 matrix is the most favorite one, not 3 times 3. Okay, 2 times 2 you must master. All right. So now, okay, this one is the problem solving part. Okay, so now we have to count the x, y, z. But the question is, basically you have to do this one. Okay, this is the hint they give you, s minus t. Okay, so can you all tell me what will be your x, y, and z values here based on the question? We start with x first. 2 times 2 is should be easy one lah for you if you try a lot of question already. Anyone here enter chapter 3 already? Modern maths in their school? Can you put yes in the chat box? Wow, so fast, huh? Chapter 3 already. Not bad. Only one, the rest all still chapter 2 in school. Chapter 3 finished already. Oh my god. Which school chapter 3 finished already? Put in the chat box. Yeah, I know 1 week holiday. I mean before the holiday, where you stop? Which chapter? Wow, your school is so good. Chapter 1 never finished yet. Misha, school is it? Wow, means your teacher must be teaching very well lah. Chapter 1. Am I right, Misha? Because the other school are rushing to finish the syllabus. Your school is so slow. Yeah, correct. Insurance, right, guys? I tell you right now already, most of the teachers, right, not saying they are not good, lah. I'm just telling generally what the teachers will do. Chapter 3, theory part, they will ask you to work in group, present in front of the class. Trust me, when you all enter chapter 3, your teacher will ask you to do that. She's not going to teach you the theory part. She will ask you to do presentation, write on the mahjong paper, create all the summary notes, present in front of the class. That is what they will do for chapter 3 and chapter 4 modern maths. They're not going to teach. Okay, chapter 5 onwards, they will teach again. Because chapter 3, chapter 4 is majority theory parts. So that is what they will ask to do. Okay, all they give my there, correct, Adi. Or they ask you to do PowerPoint. Okay, but in tuition, dah masuk chapter 3. Okay lah, not bad. Okay, good. Usually tuition will be faster lah, usually. Okay, so guys, x value, anyone get Adi? Okay, x is 3, correct. And then how about y is 1? Okay, y is 1. Let me see. Negative 1 minus y is negative 2. Yes, okay, y is 1. How about z? Last one. Z is a very easy number. You can count. Yes, it's 0. Okay, so you should get x is 3, y is 1, z is 0. Okay, anyone have trouble how to solve this one? Can you angkat tangan? Siapa tak tahu how to do this one? 3 minus, yeah, correct. Okay, so everyone know, all right, so never mind, I still show for you all in case you all got cannot understand. Okay, wait, let me find the question. Wait, guys. Okay, so basically how you can solve this, right? You just start with what the question give you. Okay, you can start with, where is it? This one. Okay, you can start with like this. Okay, you write out the whole question. 4x plus 1, 6 minus y, and then negative 5x, s minus t, right? So the first one is s, second one is t. So you write like this. And then you equal it to the answer they give you. So this is part of your working step. Okay, and then you can simplify this, correct? You simplify to become something like this. Okay, so that you can direct compare later on. Okay, so you will get something like this. Can I separate the, what is QUN? Is it typo? Can I separate the equation? Can, no problem. Cannot hear? Guys, the rest you can hear what I'm saying. I think something wrong with you then. I think you must check your device. I think the volume is low. I think that's the problem. Okay. You almost give me a shock. You say I cannot hear. Means all this while I talking is to ghost lah. Guys, don't suddenly tell like that. I'm very scared already. For 45 minutes, I talking here, then suddenly all of you cannot hear why I talking. I scared already. Okay, can lah. Very scary, when people tell like that suddenly. Okay. So then negative 1 minus y. negative 11 x minus 3y. Okay, this is how you simplify, and then you can direct compare d. So guys, what is one way to check you are doing correctly your matrices? Okay, very simple. So guys, can you see that you get negative 11 here and also negative 11 here? So this shows that your working is correct already. Okay, you should be able to get the same number on the same row and column. Means first row, second column got negative 11 left hand side. First row, second column, you have negative 11 on the right hand side as well. Okay, can you all understand, guys? So this is how you can check whether your values are tally or not. Okay, by comparing the numbers they give you. Let's say suddenly over here you get negative 8. Let's say suddenly in your working you get here negative 8. So you compare these two. These two are not equal. So means that something wrong with your working already. So this is one tips you all can use over here. Okay. So yeah, then you write negative 11. Okay, negative 11. Okay, now we can compare lah. So basically 3x plus 1 equals to 10. So 3x equals to 9. You will get x equals to 3. Okay, first answer. So this kind of question come in which part and what is the point range? This one will come in Kertas 2 usually. Kertas 1 also can. What is point range? What do you mean? Oh, you mean the marks, right? The marks will be around three answers, right? Usually maybe 3 marks lah, I will say. Or maybe 4 marks, 4 for the working steps. Think maximum 4. Yeah, because you can see that the working is quite long. Okay, definitely one answer should have 1 mark. Okay, yeah, it's a lot. Okay, but it's easy to score. Yeah, that's why I say usually modern maths, right? If your basics is good, it's quite easy to score. Am I right, guys? Who here struggle with modern maths so far since Form 4? Can you angkat tangan? Who struggle with modern maths? Okay lah. God also, people struggle in modern maths. Okay, so which area you all find weak at in modern maths? Can you like share in the chat box? Like tell me lower form or form 4 or what specific chapter. I only get, okay lah, B you can improve, no problem. You can push for A next time. Lower form, okay, lower form. Drawing, okay, Bowen, you mean plans and elevation, is it? Am I right? Yeah, okay. I think a lot of people struggle there. Form 4, chapter 6. Oh, linear inequalities. Kebarangkalian. Or bisectors. Bisector, usually they don't ask in SPM if you notice. Okay, that one is not so common. Okay, but your plan and elevation is common. The one you learn in Form 2 to draw the bisector is English, Chantiva. It means that you have a straight line and then you cut the straight line into 2 equal parts. That is what we call as bisector. Okay, but usually in SPM they don't ask that. Okay, plan and elevation is the one you all must know. Okay guys, so come back to here. Later we discuss the lower form, which topic you all struggle at the end of the class. Okay, so can you all understand this? Are you all clear how to solve this XYZ? Should be no problem, right? Okay, so now we go to the last question for revision. After this, we're going to enter the matrix already. Sorry, multiplication of matrix. Okay, so this is your last question for revision. Calculate matrix V. This one might take some time because you have to do some operations here. Okay, one by one, you need to shift and then answer. So this one, I give you all a few minutes lah. Once you're done, you tell the answer. Maybe 5 minutes? Enough, guys, to solve a question like this. 5 minutes. Are you all okay? Because one thing you all must train, right, in modern maths is to increase your speed. Okay, who cannot finish modern maths paper here? Can you raise your hand? Okay, 1. Some more? Who cannot finish within the time limit in the exam? Okay, 2. Okay. So I think you have to improve on the speed only lah. This one is nothing else but speed. Okay. If you can do all the question but still not enough time, means it's the speed. 2.5 hours for paper 2. Paper 1 is 1 hour 15 minutes, if not mistaken. So yeah, 2.5 hours looks long, but actually it's not long because you got 16 questions to answer. Do you all know, guys? The current format is Kertas Dua. You got 16 questions in total to answer within 2.5 hours. So it's actually quite a lot if you see how long you need to spend for one question. Yes, and it doesn't include the time you go to toilet, you go and sleep on the desk, you go and stare here and there during the exam. Minus all that, maybe you'll have 2 hours only to complete 16 questions. So do you all see how fast the time will go? Just by doing all those activities, you cut off half an hour a day. So that's the thing. All of you here take AdMaths, is it? Those here. Everyone here take AdMaths. Okay, I know Emily don't take. How about the rest? God lah, you all take AdMaths. Yes, yes, yes. No, okay. Because AdMaths, the time limit is the problem usually. Bowen, further maths not in your syllabus lah. SPM don't have further maths. SPM is AdMaths only. Further maths is when you go to college level. Okay, there is no such thing as further maths in SPM. Okay. Later you take lah once you go to college further maths if you like maths a lot. Negative 15. I didn't take. For A levels, I never take further maths lah. I don't know further maths in other courses should have also, but for A levels, I didn't take. Okay, Tataraj, you are referring to your first answer, right? Okay, let me check for you. Let me see. This one comes under. Okay. Let me find it for a while. Where is it? Okay, never mind. We solve together, then we see the answer together. Okay. So now, okay, guys, if you see this kind of question, what is the first step you will do here? Can you all tell me? If you are answering the question in the exam, what will you all do? First step. First step always important in maths. If your first step not correct, then the following step is wrong already. Basically, you don't need to change to plus V. You can use another method. Anyone knows? Besides, I want to change it to a positive. Yes, correct. You can solve the first two matrices. Okay, you can change position, correct. Okay, so you got two methods here. Okay, the methods. First method is you shift V to right hand side to I use RHS guys for short form, right hand side, and the and the 11 -6 4 5 9 to left hand side. Okay, this is the first method. You shift the matrix V to right, the one on the right you bring it to the left, then you will find out the V. Okay, second method, you add up two matrix on the left, two matrix on left, and then you shift it to right hand side. Yeah, equation method also can. Okay, there is many ways to solve this question. Okay, so these are two of the common ones. All right, so you can choose which one you like. Okay, personally, I will prefer the second method. Okay, yes, second method must do more calculation. Yeah. Okay, never mind, we show the first method. Okay, since first method feels easier, we do the first method. Okay, so basically, first method, you maintain everything here, just copy back -407 plus -7 9 10 2 6 8. Okay, guys, what symbol should I put here now when I shift this one to this side? From the right hand side to left hand side, what should be the symbol I put in the circle? Okay, correct. Must put negative sign. All right. So negative 11, negative 1, 6, negative 4, 5, 9, okay, is equal to V. Okay, the question is to find V. Because V from negative, I shift to this side, it will become positive V. Okay, so that's why I just write V lah. No need to put positive. Okay, so then we can solve already now. Okay, this is a normal matrix equation you all learn. Okay, so basically V is equal to, you can show the working, 3 minus 7 plus 4. Okay, make sure minus minus you must change to plus, guys. Okay, so then this one, if you feel like your matrix, right, cannot fit all the numbers, you can make it bigger. Okay, no problem. Just make it a bigger bracket. Okay, let me check. I solve also. Okay, so 3 minus 7 plus, this one I mistake. This one is plus minus 11. Okay, 3 minus 7 minus 11. 1 plus 9 plus 1. Negative 6 plus 10 minus 6. Okay, this one is a 3 times 2 matrix. Okay, so negative 4 and then plus 2 plus 4. 0 plus 6 minus 5. And then 7 plus 8 minus 9. Okay, guys, until here, can you all follow how I do the working? Just compare the same elements with the same row and column. Okay, then you will get like what I show here. Okay, so now let us see the answer. Okay, so you just press calculator, you will get negative 15, 11, and then negative 2, and then 2, and then 1, and the last one is 6. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, Misha, correct. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, are you all clear with the question here, how to solve for the last one? Okay, so basically, officially, we ended the addition and subtraction already over here through the revision. Okay, so these are the possible questions you can see in the exam, solving like this. Okay, maybe paper 1, maybe paper 2, we don't know. Not yet lah, still got time. Now we'll enter the matrix multiplication. Okay, to this one is today's lesson. We never touched this last week. Okay, matrix multiplication. So now is the new lesson. Okay, from now on, the last half an hour. Okay, so make sure you guys pay attention. We refer to now, now we do matrix multiplication. Okay, so now, okay guys, now we're going to learn multiplication. But the only thing is, now we're going to do it as a matrix. Okay, so now guys, you refer to this general formula. Okay, so basically, how do we multiply matrices is, you will have a number outside the matrix. Okay, kamu akan ada satu nombor di luar matrix. This number, we call it as scalar. Okay, guys, do you all understand what is the meaning of scalar? Can you all tell me if you understand? What is the meaning of scalar? Um, what do you mean? Dot, dot, and then question mark. Anyone here take physics? You should know the meaning, right? No. Yes. Okay. So what is scalar in physics? Scalar quantity. Correct. So basically, that is the meaning of scalar in maths also. Only magnitude. Correct. Yes, no direction. Okay, maths, of course, no direction lah, guys. You don't need to tell that. Okay, maths won't have direction one. We only see magnitude in maths. Physics, we include the direction because we apply physical quantity. That's why we have direction. But maths is just magnitude only. Okay, so we don't look at direction in maths. Okay, usually lah. Okay, for some chapter, we still see direction. Okay, so now, basically, when you say n is scalar, means that it can have numbers like 1, 1 over 4, negative 2, negative 0.5. All these numbers are known as scalar. Okay, scalar quantities. Okay, so you can multiply a matrix with any number. Okay, so guys, if you refer to this general formula, you can see that n will multiply to all the elements in the matrix. Correct? Okay, n times with A, n times with B, C, and also D. So that's how they will get the result on the right hand side. Okay, so if you don't understand this, no problem. Just use an example. You will understand already. Okay, something like this. So how do we solve this? Okay, if you want now, guys, you can put a matrix over here also if you feel comfortable with it. Okay, number 2 is what order of matrix? Can you all tell me, guys, for number 2? What is the order for its matrix? Anyone know? What is the order for this? Yes, correct. Okay, it's a 1 times 1 matrix. What is the order for this? Correct. Okay, by now you should be able to identify the order, Adila. So 1 times 1 and then 2 times 2. Okay, some of you might ask the question to me here. I thought the number here must be similar, then only we can multiply. Anyone have this question in their mind? Can you put in the chat box me? Okay, very good. Okay, for that condition, yes, you're correct. Okay, but in this case, basically what we want is we want to bring the number inside only. Okay, like a normal algebra multiplication you do. Example like this: 3 times 6x plus 5y. You will times the 3 to the 6x and also to the 5y. Am I right, guys? So this is the concept being applied here. We are going to times it into every single element. So we're not going to see the order of the matrix here actually. Okay, you don't need to see order because it makes you complicated only. You will say that we cannot solve this kind of matrix. Okay, but actually we can solve, although the numbers are not tally in the middle. Okay, guys, are you all clear? When you have this kind of scenario, you can do. Okay, remember, when you got a number in front, times with a big matrix, yes, like expansion only, you can still do it. Okay, so maybe some of you might have had this thought lah, why can solve this one? Okay, so actually you can do it. Okay, so now basically you just have to show the working like this. Yeah, okay, correct. And then 2, 3, and then 2, 4. So then you will get final answer 12, negative 10, 6, 8. Okay, so yeah, this is how we solve it. All right, so now let's say I modify a bit. It become like this now. And then this one. Okay, can you all tell me how we're going to solve this? If I have fraction in front now, how will we do it? If you can, you comment the first element, the first row, first column element to see whether you all understand or not. Okay, very good. So you all understand. The concept is still the same. We are going to times this 1 over 4 to every element inside here. Okay, every single element, one by one. So you will have 4 answers. Okay, so this one, first answer, you can write as decimal, 1.5. Okay, second answer, guys, can you all tell me for the second element? For this element over here. Okay, I like your answer, Chantira. Very good. Okay, guys, you might be thinking, can I write my answer as 0.17? Some of you might have this doubt. Can I write 0.17 instead of 1 over 6? What do you guys think? Yes or no? Can I put 0.17 instead of the fraction? Yes, no. So which is your answer? Okay, how about the rest? I want to hear more people what they say. Okay, so basically both also can, but which one is more accurate? Can you guys tell me? Decimal or fraction? Which one answer is a more accurate answer? Yes. Decimal is not accurate. Remember, guys, fraction is more accurate than decimal always. Okay, because fraction can show you the numbers that go until infinity. Decimal cannot show you that. You have to stop somewhere, like how Tata Raj right there. He already stopped at the 6, 7. Actually got 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, keep on going until the end. But we cannot write it. So that is why the fraction comes in handy. We use fraction to show the whole decimal we have. So that's why when you have this kind of case, it's better to write fraction in the matrix. Don't write this one because this one is simplified already. Okay, guys? So make sure you remember this when you encounter this in the exam also. You don't know which one to write, just write fraction. Fraction always correct. Okay, it's never wrong. Safe option. Okay, so now third one. Can you all tell me? Okay, very good. Negative 1 over 8. Last one. Okay, in this case, right, guys, if people say, can I write 0.05? Can. Because your decimal will stop at 0.05 only. There is no recurring decimal after that. So you can choose to write decimal or fraction, also can. The only case is when you have recurring decimal like 0.66666 until the end. Then you write fraction. Okay, this is the concept we use here. Okay, guys, are you clear with this slide? Matrix multiplication. Can we mix decimal? Can, no problem. You can do like that. Textbook also do like that. So means can. Okay, follow textbook. What textbook say is the correct one. Okay, because whenever your teacher say cannot, you can debate in class. Okay, because textbook say can mix both means it's correct. Okay, we always go back to the textbook in SPM. Okay, always refer back there. All right. Fraction looks classy, so I always use fraction. Okay, can also. If you feel like that, then good luck. Can. Okay. So yeah. All right. So now we already tried that part. So now there is one part that you all must take note here. Okay, next slide. Not yet. This one is not yet. We go to another slide. Okay, there is one part in your textbook, lah, guys. Okay, there is some of these lost over here. Okay, I'm not sure whether they will ask you on this, but maybe objective. I say Bhuvan say. What do you mean, Bhuvan? I say Bhuvan say. You referring to me, is it? Okay, first law that you all must know is commutative law. Okay, what is commutative law, guys? Anyone know? You all study this in lower form also, actually, when you all do the algebra part, if not mistaken. Commutative law. Okay, basically, I'll explain to you a bit. Okay, so basically, commutative law, let's say we got two matrices like this, matrix A, matrix B. Very simple. Okay, let's say matrix A is 1, 0, matrix B is 0, 1. Yes, very good. Okay, so guys, you try and see. A plus B, you will get the answer 1, 1. B plus A, you also get the answer 1, 1. So that is what we call as commutative law. Means that left hand side equal to right hand side. If you want to understand easy, left hand side equal to right hand side. Simple as that. Okay, no need to memorize the change words all, no need. Okay, left hand side equal to right hand side. All right. So basically it means that you will get the same answer. Very simple. 2 plus 1 is what, guys? Can you tell me? 2 plus 1 is what? If anyone get wrong, this one I kill the person already by now. 2 plus 1, what do you all get? Very simple question, guys. I guess okay, maybe I put 3.00001. Maybe you start to freak out already a bit. Okay, sorry, just joking. Okay, it's 3 only the answer. Okay, how about 1 plus 2, guys? What is the answer? Can you tell me? Okay, correct. So guys, this is the commutative law lah, in short words. Okay, 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2. This is what is being explained over here on top in the matrix. Okay, means that however you arrange them doesn't matter. You will get the same answer. That is what they are trying to say. Okay, maybe I write over here. No matter how you arrange, this one applies for plus and minus. Okay, no matter how you arrange, sorry, plus only, minus will have difference. Okay, still same answer. This is for plus. Okay, there's one guy in my class who finds the 2 plus 1 using AddMath skill. Oh, can. You can use AddMath skill also. I think he do something like this, right? Sorry, for those that don't take AddMath, I just interested a bit lah. He do something like this, right? Am I right? Then he get log 2 8. then he do log 2 cube, then he get 3. Okay, correct. This is a correct way to show 2 plus 1 is 3 also. Okay. Yeah, I show it to you all already. For those take NMATs, you all understand what I mean lah. Okay, you can get 3 also. You can show many ways how 2 plus 1 is 3 because there are a lot of concepts that support it. You can even use trigonometry if you want also. Okay, but that one no need yet lah. Later you all confused. Okay, trigo also you all can use to show. All right. Later when you all learn NMATs chapter 6, you will know why. Okay, form 5 chapter 6. All right. So now understand now guys, commutative law. Are you all clear? Okay, this is the concept over here. 2 plus 1 is 1 plus 2. That's all that you must remember.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
sir, the multiply also got the commutative law, right?
Multiply is a different law. We're going to go now. Okay, I'll show you over here. We're coming to it. Okay, so guys, this one, right? For subtraction part, right? For matrix, you will understand that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So how do I prove this? Very simple. You just use a simple matrix like this. Okay, let's say this is A. Now guys. Okay, this one is A and then this one is B. So this one, when you minus, you will get 1 and negative 1. Correct? Now let's say I switch the order. B minus A. What is the answer? Negative 1, 1. So guys, can you see that your answer is not the same? This one and this one is not the same answer. Okay, so means that in minus, right? You minus two matrix, two different order, you will get different answer. But plus, you will get the same answer. This is the speciality, okay, of matrix. Understand? So yeah, this is between plus and minus. Okay, so now this is the first part, commutative law. All of this under commutative law. Okay, second law that you all learn is called distributive law. Okay, have you all heard of these guys in maths? I know you all don't read the theory part, right, guys, in maths. I know mathematics, you all don't want to learn theory because you got a lot of theory subject to study like sejarah, moral, BM, whatever lah, biology. So you don't want to study theory anymore. That's why you'll take maths. Okay. So now we have to go to the theory part. No choice because it explains something also. So you all must understand also. Okay. So now distributive law says that, let's say we got something like this. So guys, can you all tell me what is it equal to? Very simple. Common sense only. This one is under matrices, you know, but you can apply the common sense of your algebra, correct? Okay, you will get this one. Yes. Okay, it's the same concept only. This is applied in matrix. So how about minus? You will get the same concept. HA minus HB. Okay, nothing new lah. It's exactly the same like algebra. Okay, you can change it with a matrix example, then you understand why is it the answer. Okay, you will get the same answer. Okay, guys, so this is what we call as distributive law. It applies for both addition and subtraction. Both of it can. Okay, commutative also addition, subtraction. Okay, so anyone know what is the last law, the third law? Anyone know the name? We got commutative, distributive, one more. Anyone know? Without referring anywhere, tanpa rujukan, can you all tell me the answer? What is the third law in maths? Who don't know? If don't know, angkat tangan. Wow, not bad, huh? Correct. Okay, the answer is associative law. Okay, for matrix, I think got 3 only. Okay, they only show 3. So third one is the associative law. So what is associative law? Very simple. Okay, let's say you got something like this. So guys, this is equal to this. Can you all understand what I write here? I think it should be no problem lah. This one also is under algebra. If you want to understand this, you use this concept. Anyone have seen this before? BODMAS. You all study this in your primary school or something. Okay. Bracket, operation, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is to show the priority in maths. Keutamaan, which one comes first? So guys, B stand for bracket. So means that bracket will come first when you solve. So it is shown over here. Okay, when you put bracket, means that you will solve this first, you solve this second. For this side, you solve this first, you solve this second. So guys, can you see that the order is switched? Is opposite. But actually, you will get the same result. Okay, very simple to understand. I give you all a simple primary school example to understand. Okay, you just need to put numbers. Let's say I got 2 plus 5 plus 3. And then I got 2 plus 5 plus 3. What are the answers, guys? Can you all tell me? First answer is what? For the first part? I know it sounds stupid. I asking you all this question, right? I testing your intelligence. Okay, it's 10. And then the second one is also 10. So guys, this is what I'm trying to say based on the matrix here. Okay, it means that no matter where you put the bracket, you still get the same answer. Okay, because it is plus. It applies for plus. Okay, so then now I let you all think. How about minus, guys? If I got something like this, are they equal to each other? Correct. Okay, minus, you cannot apply this. Okay, it is actually not equal to each other. So why? Very simple. So guys, if you try to expand this, you will get A minus B minus C. If you try to expand the right hand side, you will get A minus B plus C. So where is the difference? The difference is over here, minus C plus C. So definitely you won't get the same answer. Impossible you get the same answer. Understand, guys? So this is what they tell you in the associative law. Okay, for plus and minus also. Okay, nothing about times and divide so far. Okay, this one is also about plus and minus. Okay, if you want to understand better, maybe you can use numbers. Okay, yeah, something like combine operation, correct? Okay, let us say I got something like this. So guys, on the left hand side, what is the answer? Can you all tell me? Left hand side. Wow, okay, good. People share the link already. Nice. Okay, guys, left hand side. What is the answer you all get? 5 minus 3 in bracket. Huh? Where got negative 4? Careful, huh? Don't scare me, huh? Yeah, the answer is 0. Okay, second one. I thought you really made mistake. Okay, you will get 4, right? If you solve the second one. So guys, can you see now? Why is it not equal to each other? You can use an example like this. Then you will understand this law already. Okay, apply to matrix also by just using a normal number. Okay, so these are the 3 laws. I don't know whether they'll ask lah. Maybe in objective. Subjective, they won't ask. If come out in objective, at least you remember. Okay, but it's very rare. Okay, they never ask. So far, I never see also. Okay, so now, okay, guys, there is one special part here about the matrix. So, guys, let's say I got a matrix like this. Does such matrix exist? Yes or no? Do we have this kind of matrix in the world? What do you all think? Yes, the answer is yes. Okay, we have such matrix in the world. So, guys, what they want to tell you here is, let's say I got a matrix A. I plus with this matrix. Can you all tell me the answer? What will you all get? Yeah, basically you will get back the A. This is another thing that you learn in matrix. Okay, how about A minus this? What will you all get? What will be the answer? Ah, don't lie lah. Okay, it's A. Okay, so guys, I changed the question a bit. How about if like this? What will be the answer? Huh? Can you all tell me? If I times these two. Okay, very good. Everything is 0, correct. Okay, this is another law also. Everything you will get 0, final answer. Okay, 0, 0, 0, P. Okay. So understand, guys. So this is how you can understand all these laws. Basically, they explain all of this over here already. Okay, about the laws. Okay. So now we go to the solving part of the question. Okay. So let me see. Do we enter this part yet? Okay, never mind. I explain this part first to y'all. Okay, so guys, now we are going to learn how to times two matrix. Okay, very simple. So guys, let's say matrix A has an order of m times n. Okay, and then matrix B, it has an order of n times p. Okay, so guys, you can write the matrix multiplication as AB. Okay, so means that you can see over here, A is m times n, B is n times p. Your result you will get n times p. Okay, so you can see that the number in the middle has to be the same. Then only you can multiply. Always check this, guys. The question like to trick you. Okay, they will give you randomly two orders of matrix, ask you whether can multiply or not. This is the important part to check. Okay, the column for matrix A must be same as the row for matrix B. So your final result will be m times p. Understand so far? Okay, if you don't understand, I can give you an example question. Okay, very simple. Just use example only. So guys, let's say, can I do such multiplication? These two matrix, can I times each other? Yes, can, but the method is a bit long. Okay, calculator is a bit tedious in terms of matrix because you have to key in a lot of numbers and you might seal up tekan one number, so then gone. So that's the problem with calculator. Okay, guys. So this one, can we do or not? The multiplication. Okay, can. Okay, I got a K-bar question here. Can we multiply these two matrix? Simply to test y'all. Who say yes, who say no, this one? This one really test your understanding, guys. A lot of you don't know. The answer is no. Guys, you try to imagine and see. 0 times 0 matrix, what you have, guys? You have nothing inside the matrix. There is no element 0, guys. If you put element 0 inside here, you have a 1 times 1 matrix. Remember, means that there is nothing inside. And I multiply with nothing. So guys, nothing multiply with nothing. What I get? Nothing also lah. So means that you don't have answer lah. You cannot solve this kind of matrix. Okay, K-bar question. Okay, you won't get any answer. All right, of course, they won't ask this in the exam. This is just to test your understanding. Okay, so now, how about something like this? Can I multiply these two matrix? Yes or no? Yes, cannot, because the numbers here are not the same. Okay, 3 is not equal to 2, so we cannot multiply these two numbers. Understand? So now, let's say I give you all a live example of a matrix. See whether you all can understand or not. Okay, let's say got something like this. Okay, same number in the middle. These two number must be the same. Then only we can multiply the matrix. That's the concept. Okay, always check that one first before you solve any question, because sometimes the question might trick you over there because you think that you can multiply anything, but actually if the number here and here not the same, right, you cannot multiply actually. Okay, so always check that one first. Okay, so guys, can we multiply these two matrix? Okay, why no? Okay, very simple lah. Row is 3, column is 2, row is 3, column is 1. So the number in the middle here is not the same. So we cannot do the matrix multiplication. Okay, yes. Okay, one more example, then you all understand already. So let's say I got something like this. Okay, and then okay, can we multiply these two matrix? Okay, cannot. Okay, because first matrix is 2 times 2. Second matrix is 1 times 2. You must see, guys, the difference is very small. Okay, the middle here, different number, so cannot. Okay, only that one you must check. Okay, so guys, now got one extra knowledge for you. Okay, let's say we can multiply the matrix. Okay, no worries, scalars normal only. Okay, let's say we got a matrix like this. Okay, let's say 2 times 2, and then I want 2 times 1. Okay, so this is 2 times 2. This is 2 times 1. So guys, can we do the matrix multiplication for this? Yes. Okay, because the same number in the middle. So guys, can you all predict and see your answer? What will be the order of matrix for your answer without any calculation? What will be the order of the matrix based on your left hand side? Very good. Okay, means you all understand. Okay, you will take the front number and the back number. So this is your result. So means that when you do calculation time, right, if you get any other matrix beside this, means your method is wrong. This is how you can check whether you multiply correctly or wrong. Okay, by just seeing the number in front and the number at the back. Then you know your answer is right or wrong. Okay, simple way to check. Okay, guys, until here, can you all get it? The concepts? Okay, because all these concept we will apply into the question now. Nothing else already. All is the concept is here already. Okay, so now let's say I give you all one example here. Okay, we try one question. So let's say, let me try to think and see. Okay, we try this one. Okay, let's say P, the matrix is like this. Okay, and then Q, we try about the multiplication first. -3, 5, 4. Okay, so the question is, calculate this one. So guys, how do we do this? First step, what can I do first step? This one also you have two methods how to solve. Okay, Ken, the first method is you do P minus Q first, then you times by 3. This is the second. Okay, second method is you times the 3 inside first. Then you do the P minus Q. You switch the order only. Very simple. The first method is basically, right, you solve this one inside first. Then you times your answer by 3. Second method, you times the 3 inside first to get 3P minus 3Q. Then you solve this one. Do you all understand, guys? So both method will give you the same answer. Okay, you can try out and see. Okay, first method, second method, it will give you same answer. Okay, because the concept is here. Guys, very simple concept only. 2 times 5, what do you all get? Can you all tell me? I again relate to the primary school method. You all understand. How about 5 times 2? What do you all get? Yes, it's the same. So this is the concept over here. No matter where you start, as long you got multiply, right, you will get the same answer one. Okay, because multiply, no matter how the order is, the answer is the same. Okay, so you can apply it to matrix here also. Okay, so example, maybe I choose to solve the P minus Q first. Okay, I use the first method. Okay, so we just need to copy out. Okay, 7 minus 2, and then -3 minus 1, and then you have -6, 6 minus 0, and then you will have 9 plus 3. Minus minus will become plus, guys, so you must be careful. And then 8 minus 5, 12 minus 4. Okay, so then you can calculate this already. Okay, so you will get 3. You simplify everything, and then you times the 3 inside, like what we did just now. Okay, you will get 15, -12, 18, 36, 9, and 24. Okay, guys, are you all clear how to get the answer? This is how we solve the matrix. Okay, for multiplication. Okay, so now let me see. We try this question. I like this question. Last one for today. Okay, so I give you this last question. This one might test you a bit on certain skills like algebra and other than that. Okay, the question is calculate matrix R. Okay, guys. So how do we solve this? First step, what do we do? If you're given a problem like this in the exam, what will you do? Yes, okay. You can bring the left hand side matrix to the right hand side. It's the easier method. Okay, you just shift from left to right. So basically, you will get 4R is equal to negative 3, 10, 4, 1. And then you minus with 9, 2, 0, negative 3. Yes, correct. Okay, you can do like this also. Actually, anyway also can. Okay, as long you're comfortable with it. Okay, so then you simplify, you will get these answers. Okay, so guys, now is the question. How do I get my R? What should I do now? Because so far we never deal on this yet. Yes, very good. So guys, do you all understand how he say 1 over 4 times? Okay, basically, when you shift this 4 to the right hand side, normal algebra is it will become 1 over 4. Correct? So the same thing applies here. So you will get something like this. 8, 4, 4. Do you all understand, guys? How I shift it like that? Okay, then you can solve already this one. Okay, basically you will get negative 3, 2, 1, 1. So this is the answer for R. Okay, guys, are you all clear with the lesson today? Do you all understand about the basic part for matrix multiplication? This is the basic lah. Okay, next week we will go deeper a bit on the matrix multiplication. Okay, anyone new here? First of all, those who first time join, cannot put division. Usually we won't write division sign. Okay, for those new here, first time join. Okay, wait. Okay, for those first time join, if you're interested to join my class, you can PM my number. Okay, my number is this one. Okay, make sure you can PM. Then I'll add you into my WhatsApp group. Okay, this is my number. All right, I pin it here lah. Okay, then you all can see. Okay, and this one is my YouTube channel. Okay, so you can refer my channel for maths videos or maths videos if you find difficulty lah in maths or maths. Okay, you can find my channel on YouTube. Okay, and then please help me to share it to your friends also. Okay, so yeah, so do you all understand today's lesson, everyone? Clear? Huh? Okay, good. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. Okay, so just now, those who want to sembang just now, what was it about? I also forget the topic already. You wanted to chit chat something. Oh, lower form. Which chapter in maths you all find difficult, right? I think that was the topic. Correct? So that one, right? Basically, how you want to master maths on that part is you can